Credit score seems to be something that most people know is important but don't pay too much attention. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. Here's exactly what you need to know to make sure you are keeping a healthy score. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, or how likely you are to pay back a loan or credit card debt. Credit scores are typically used by lenders, landlords, and other financial institutions to evaluate your creditworthiness and determine whether to approve you for a loan, credit card, mortgage, or other type of credit. There are several factors that can affect your credit score, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit used. Here are 5 simple steps you can take to improve your credit score. Number 1. Make all of your payments on time. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score. Make sure to pay all of your bills on time, including credit card bills, mortgage payments, and car loan payments. Number 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization refers to the amount of credit you are using compared to the amount of credit you have available. It is generally recommended to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Number 3. Don't close old credit accounts. Length of credit history is a factor in your credit score, so it's generally not a good idea to close old credit accounts. Number 4. Avoid applying for too much new credit. Each time you apply for credit, it can have a negative impact on your credit score. Avoid applying for too much new credit in a short period of time. Number 5. Check your credit report for errors. It's important to check your credit report regularly for errors or inaccuracies, as these can negatively impact your credit score. If you find an error, you can dispute it with the credit bureau. By following these steps and managing your credit responsibly, you can improve your credit score over time. Thanks again for watching till the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more videos like these.